5, we're going to use a vector in order to translate a triangle. The triangle DEF, I'm listing the three different points up here. I drew those already down here, so we've got D at 2, 5, E is at 6, 3, and F is at 4, 0. We're going to translate that, we're going to move it, slide it, using this vector. Now remember, a vector is a quantity that has both direction and size. If we wanted to, we could rewrite that as a rule that maybe we're a little bit more accustomed to. This vector is saying we're going to take every point and we're going to shift it in a certain way. We're going to take the x value and we're going to shift it 5 units to the right, a positive direction, that's shown here. We're going to take the y value and we are going to shift it down 1, which is a -1. So this vector of 5, -1, or writing the rule, the translation rule like this in this type of notation, those mean the same thing. So however you want to think of it is fine. That's going to allow us to take the points on triangle DEF and slide them in that direction. We're going to take every point and move it 5 to the right and 1 down. So I'm going to take point D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 down. That's where my D prime is going to be. I'm going to take point E and move it 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, goes off the grid a little bit. That's, oops, sorry, and then 1 down. This is E prime. Forget about that. F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 down. That is now F prime. And I can connect these. I have the same triangle. It's congruent to this triangle. It's the same as it, but it's shifted completely 5 units over to the right and 1 down. Again, we could have taken a look at these initial values as the coordinates, the x and y coordinates, and we could have added 5 to this and subtracted 1 from this. We would get 7, 4, and that's where our new prime value is. D prime is at 7, 4. So we could have listed those out and just done some subtraction or addition using this vector or this rule as well. And we'd get those same coordinates and then we could plot them. So you've got a couple different options of how you want to do that.